important group for us was quality compounders, some that we've owned for a few years now and others that we had the opportunity to add during the crisis. These compounders are usually larger businesses and we think of them like a portfolio base. So we always want to have a chunk of the portfolio in these kinds of businesses as they improve the risk return profile of the portfolio over time. This year, Zebra and CDW were among the contributors in this bucket. And another stock that I think was an undiscovered quality compounder is Farfetch.
Oh, I think this one's a great example of understanding your investment edge. Can you outline the investment case as you saw it before we bought the stock?
Yes. So Farfetch is the global platform for the luxury industry. Our most successful investments tend to start with what we think the market got wrong. For this, you need to have a variant perception. And as a female, you can have a bit of an advantage here in certain types of stocks. There are a bunch of stocks out there that you might know really well from a consumer perspective that most other analysts just don't. And this Farfetch was a really good example of this. When we started looking at it last year, it was valued at around $6 billion US. At that price, there had to be some big question marks around whether this was going to be the dominant platform in the industry. And that's fair enough, because from afar, it looked like just another online luxury retailer with no real competitive advantage and the threat of Amazon lurking around every corner. But I had the view that not only does Farfetch add value to the luxury brand that it works with, but it also adds value to the industry as a whole. So for that reason, I was confident that it would end up as the dominant platform. And if it did, $6 billion is a really low valuation for this business. You can see on the chart that revenue estimates for 2021 have increased pretty significantly since our purchase in mid last year, as people started getting more comfortable with the Farfetch business model. It basically shows my thesis on one page. Analysts and the market as a whole were just really underestimating how much consumers would buy from the Farfetch website. We sold out around the highs early this year, so it was a really short holding period for us, but it contributed significantly to returns for the year.